guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can select like a category to put in your bio. So go to your profile page, go to edit profile, and you are just going to sort of scroll down until you find a category. Currently it's in others, but you can change that by clicking on it and selecting a category that best suits your account. Select the category that best describes your account. This category won't be displayed publicly, so I think it's just gonna like help with the algorithm. For instance, my videos have something to do with gaming. I'm just going to choose that, and I'm just going to save it, and hopefully the algorithm will bring people who are interested in gaming to my channel. I don't know why it's not saving. It's still others, but that's basically how you can do that. But that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!